Hi everyone, welcome to my classroom moment. Please, just a minute. It's so hot. So noisy, I have to keep it. And just few minutes after where I complained that it was hot. And here I am. It's so cold. It's so cold that I can't deal. How did they wait? Oh. Am I putting on this like it's not mine? It's so cold. When it's rainy season, there is a need to have sweaters. This is not your typical sweater, right? Yes. And when the weather is just so hot, it's actually very sunny here, so the weather is so hot. Okay, coming. That brings us to today's topic. L'automne. 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 See the way I'm pronouncing it. It's spelled T-E-M-P-S. L'automne. As if you're pronouncing this. Yes. L'automne in French. Now, please, I have to say something. You know, in every rule we have exceptions. It is very important. In English language, if I look up for the meaning of this word, market. And by the way, I have a clue I have to share with you. So my best option to knowing how words are pronounced is to look for the transcription of such words. If I have to go online to look up for the meaning of this word, market, my major or primary focus is on its transcription. It is transcription that will tell you how words are pronounced. So I was going somewhere. I said, if I look up for the meaning of a market, hope you're aware that I'm going to see series of meanings of this particular words in different parts of speech. I said something before I got here. I said that in every rule, we have exception. Even when we learned about rules of concord in English language, it's been how many years, but one thing I can never forget is that I was taught by my teacher then that we have exceptions. Think of all the rules in rules of concord. Singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, but we have exceptions. So same thing applies to French language. We have exceptions. So when I tell you about a particular rule, while I'm sharing a particular concept, it is also very important that we always have exceptions. And it's also very needful to know what exceptions applies to that word. So I'm going somewhere. I said l'automne means weather. And we are going to treat a topic that is going to employ this same TEMPS. But then it's not going to be functioning as weather, just like we are treating today. That is where the idea of synonymous words comes into play. Hope you've not forgotten. So, l'automne, weather. So when I came in, I performed or carried out quiet, specific actions, such as I had to wear this. It alternated for a sweater, even though I know it's not a sweater. It's a blazer. And then my hand fan. I demonstrated actions. What's the weather like in your country or any part of the world you're watching this video from? What's the weather like? Over here is so hot. So, quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? Quel temps fait-il? There's a liaison is T. Call it liaison. This T consonant and this E voice sound. Liaison is C. It has to rhyme. You won't say quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? This T and I voice sound. That's by the way. So, I ask a question. What's the weather like? from wherever you're watching this video from, please do not forget to tell me what the weather is like over there. And since it's very hot over here, I think I need to get this out. I need to get this out and tie it around my waist because we are in for a very serious action. Don't judge me. I mean, I'm an unconventional teacher, right? Yes. We don't follow the rules every time. Okay. Quel fait-il? What's the weather like? Or what's the weather? Quel fait-il? I have to keep repeating words or sentences because we are learning this language as non-native speakers. So they need to repeat. Quel fait-il? There's a question mark, is a question. Number one, il fait chaud, is very hot. That is why I came in with this, my hand fan. Okay, let's set it aside. Il fait chaud is hot. If I say il fait trop chaud, il fait très chaud is very hot, and it's really very hot over here. Il fait chaud is hot. That answers the question. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait chaud is hot. The second one that answers this question, quel temps fait-il? Il fait froid is cold. I have to shiver and shiver and shiver and shiver and shiver and shiver until you go and hide under the duvet or you get a sweater. Il fait froid is cold. The weather is cold. Il fait beau. The weather is good. The weather is okay. The weather is good. Il fait beau. The last and not the least, il fait mauvais temps. The weather is bad. If I say il fait mauvais temps, the weather is bad. So that would be all about weather in our topic for today. Just few sentences that describe certain weather. The weather can be much more.